Hey everyone, it's me Melody. So I have an AliExpress haul. This came surprisingly fast. I will put in the description of when I ordered it and when it got here. But I ordered for one seller, which the store is labeled below, and I'll have also listed below which ones I got. So I ordered resin. I ordered UV resin little molds. So they got here today. When you see this, it'll be like a few weeks after it's already arrived. But I ordered this mold. I was actually looking at it on Amazon, debating if I was going to get another one, but there you can see all the texture and stuff. So I can't wait to use these and try them out. Sorry, the kitchen counter's dirty, which is what I'm using. And I got this mold. These are way smaller than I expected, but that's fine. This one has like hearts, frames, arrows on it. And then this one I got for the Capuchon faces, which compared to my finger, it's a pretty good size. So I can't wait to use this one. And these compared to my finger, along with these compared to my finger. And then I ordered a bunch of these. So these bears, I was wondering if they were gonna fit, be big enough. They will. So these are different than the bear mold I already have. I like the little butt and the little tail of the bear. And I got this one. I technically have a mold that already has these, but I don't have these three big ones compared to my finger. They're huge. So the biggest mold I technically have for this is this one. So I can't wait to use these three. And then I got this mold, a different set of butterflies compared to my finger. I don't have these. Oh, and there's a little heart. That's cute. Oh, I got a free gift. Oh, stickers. I think these are stickers. No, these are water decals. Compared to my finger. This will be like, I think, my third set of water decals. Then I ordered this set. It has mermaid tails, I don't know if you can see that, and koi fish. Let me just flip it over, that's better. So I ordered it for the mermaid fins and all these different sizes of koi fish, and I think they're also goldfish. So I can't wait to make stuff with this one, which I'm really excited about compared to my finger. I'll flip it around. Compared to my finger. And then I ordered 2 of these compared to my finger. So I ordered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 items in the free gift. So that is it for my haul. Thanks for watching. Bye. I just want to add, I ordered these January 12th and it's currently February 1st, so it took like exactly 3 weeks. It probably would have been less because of Chinese New Year, but it got here very, very fast.